In April 2026, the barrier to creating a viral social media presence has been dismantled. Viewmax Io is currently the leading all-in-one AI studio for creators who want to build faceless empires on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels without ever showing their faces or picking up camera. So if this year's job market is stressing you out, while everyone else is fighting for corporate roles, a new class of digital entrepreneurs is quietly printing money using AI video tools. And today we're looking at this service, the viral video engine that creators are using to pull millions of views a week. In this 10-minute deep dive, I'm showing you exactly how to set up your account, how the credit system works, and the two most effective strategies for making real money with this platform by next month. So let's build your empire. Alright, and before we begin, firstly let's look what's under the hood. So Viewmax Io isn't just a video editor, it's a suite that includes the Sora 2 video generator, our Nano Banana for AI images, and the Seedance 2 Pro engine for cinematic transitions. And if you go to features, as you can see, what's available is going to be AI video generator, voiceover, script writer, upscaler of videos, pretty awesome, watermark removal, and also caption removal. And now, also let's look at the pricing so that you guys have an idea how much to spend. Okay, also guys, remember that depending on when you're watching the video, the pricing may change. But in general, we have three plans. First one is the basic, so it costs around $14, as you can see, a month now, when billed annually. Then you get 900 credits, which covers roughly 14 auto shorts generations. So it's perfect for testing a single niche. Then we have the professional plan. It's about $18 a month if you're using annual. And as you can see, also we have the monthly price. First one's 19, this one's 29, and creates a 69. So this one kind of hits a sweet spot and jumps up to 300 and jumps up to 3,900 credits, allowing for about 30 high-quality videos and access to the Seedance 2 Pro models. And then we have a creator plan, $49 annually and $69 monthly. So this is for the power users who are running multiple channels across different platforms. And quickly about the pros and cons. So firstly, it's insanely fast. You can go from a single sentence to a finished 4K short in literally less than 60 seconds. Then the cons. So it's a credit-heavy system. If your generation fails, which happens occasionally with these high-end models, you have to be diligent about contacting support to get those credits back. And if you want to sign up, just go and grab this button, Get Started. I will just sign up with Google, in my case. Should be pretty quickly. Alright, and now, as you can see, we need to pick a plan. Alright, so these are the tools, guys. You can try them out for free. But in general, let us talk about the monetization strategy. And the first one is going to be the faceless YouTube machine. Okay, and the most direct way to make money with Viewmax is the faceless YouTube Shorts method. So YouTube's algorithm has pivoted to favor hyper-retentive content, videos that keep people watching until the very last frame. So firstly, just pick a niche. Alright, and just don't go too broad. Focus on the mini AI explainers, or cyber noir crime stories, or futuristic travel guides. Then the workflow. You can use the Viewmax AI scriptwriter, which should be here, to generate a hook-heavy script. Then let the Sora 2 engine generate the visuals. And then the secret sauce. You can use the AI clone right here, as you can see. Just go here, and this will allow you to create a consistent host for your channel. Even if you don't show your face, having a consistent AI-generated narrator builds brand loyalty that simple slideshows can't touch. Alright, and how this works, for example, as you can see, to use the AI clone, you need to do what? You need to drag and drop motion video right of yourself, then drag and drop the character image. So this is also for reference to make sure that your character is as high quality as possible. Then you choose the model. Okay, I always suggest using the latest. Resolution, as you can see, it also shows you how many credits will be used. Then sound on or off, and the prompt as well to add additional details. And then we have the monetization strategy number 2, which is the recurring affiliate goldmine. So if you don't want to wait for YouTube ad revenue kick in, use the Viewmax affiliate program. All right, so here it is. And the opportunity is as follows. You need... So AI tools are high conversion items. Viewmax offers a 25 to 30% recurring commission for the first 12 months. So for example, the method. You can create how-to content or AI tool comparisons on TikTok. When people see the quality of the seedings to transitions, they will want the tool themselves. One viral review could land you 50 signups, which at the pro plan rate is over $500 in passive monthly income before you even count your video views. Okay, now let's first create your video. So go plus, create. You go into the AI video generator. In here, you will see a prompt field. And don't be vague. I will show you the prompt example. So for example, something like this. And once again, if you want to choose which model you use, you can. I recommend Sora 2. How long it's going to be? Say 12 seconds. Let's say, yeah, it's going to be vertical video. If you want, you can upload images as a reference and the output of how many you wish. And press on generate. And once the draft is ready, you can use the auto captions. Captions need to be animated to maintain high retention. And choose the glow or pop preset. And then the export, you just download it in 9:16 vertical and use the watermark remover to ensure the video looks premium. So for that, you need your plan. So the tools are getting better, but the window for early mover advantage is closing. So if this guide helped you see the potential in Viewmax today, smash like and subscribe for more.